Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a jackstand. This piece has come loose and fallen off the jackstand. It doesn't seem to have any function as part of supporting the jackstand. I think all it does is it keeps this handle, this ratchet piece, from opening all the way. Stops the handle from going all the way out like that. So as these jack stands are used to keep a car from crushing me, I like them working properly. And it looks like it was only spot welded in place, if you look here. So what I plan to do is welding this in place. And as far as the one that's not broken is concerned, is probably produced on the same assembly line, it's probably got a weak spot weld on that. I'm going to put I'm going to tack a couple of welds in here to support that. But before I do that, I have to prep the surfaces and clean the paint off so that the weld will take. I'll be using a MIG welder, and you can't weld through paint with a MIG welder. I've got this one grooved for a root, and for the other jack stand, I've got this piece cleaned off, an angle cut for a root on that. Should make it easier to get a good weld in there. Okay, it's not beautiful, but it ought to hold. It's probably overkill, but this thing ain't going to go anywhere. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Oh, let's see if it works. Yep, works fine. Thanks for watching. Bye now.